Hi and welcome to this Key Learning Initiative video. Today's topic is linear equations, coefficients only. So, linear equations. I use 7 steps to solve all linear equations. All 7 can be found in the first comment below. Today, however, I'm only using step 7. We use step 7 when we only have coefficients left in front of our variable in our equation. So let's have a look at step 7. By dividing, which is an inverse operation, by the coefficient of the variable, which is the number in front of the letter, get it by itself. This sounds confusing, but let's have a look at a few examples. Example 1. 2x equals 6. So, by dividing by the coefficient, so in this example, it's 2. 2 is the number in front of the variable or the letter. So we divide both sides by 2. So 2x divided by 2 gives me x, and 6 divided by 2 gives me 3. Let's look at example 2. 7x equals 49. So, the coefficient of my variable in this case is 7. 7 is in front of my letter, and so I divide both sides by 7. 7 divided by 7 means it's just 1, and 49 divided by 7 is 7, and so x is equal to 7. Example 3. Negative 3x equals 12. Now, what is in front of our letter? It's negative 3, and so we divide both sides by negative 3. On my left hand side, negative 3 divided by negative 3 just gives me positive 1. And on my right hand side, 12 divided by negative 3 gives me negative 4, and so x is equal to negative 4. Example 4. Negative 10x equals negative 100. And so again, we look, what is the number in front of my letter? It's negative 10. And so I divide both sides by negative 10. Negative 100 divided by negative 10 just gives me 10. And so x is equal to 10. Example 5. Negative x equals 2. Now, in this question, we have a negative in front of our variable. If you remember correctly, if there's no number in front of a variable, there's just an invisible 1 there. And so we divide both sides by negative 1. On my right-hand side, 2 divided by negative 1 gives me negative 2. And so x is equal to negative 2. Example 6. A half x equals 20. Now, what is the number in front of my x? It's a half, and so I divide both sides by a half. 20 divided by a half is 40, and so I get x equals 40. So thank you for watching this Key Learning Initiative video on linear equations with coefficients only. I hope it has been helpful. Please like and share so that more and more people can get help. Thank you.